Good morning. It is nice and early, about 6:30 in the morning. We are going for a quick jog along the path. It's a nice view. Just back from the run. It was only about 2 kilometers. Fill up some of our water because there should be a tap around the corner. And we just stopped off at a place called Tyne. We've come to the forest for a bit of a walk. We have no idea what to expect. We literally just pulled off after seeing it off the main road. Tyne Hill. Only a 2 kilometer walk. We've come down to Dornoch Beach on the east coast. The weather's not great. Yeah. So we're just playing in the park. The sea's literally there. But for now, you a montage of us playing in the park. We've come down to Dornoch Beach. It's pretty big. Stretches all the way along there. The weather's not great, so there's not a chance of us like just chilling out. I think we're gonna just go for a stroll along it, then go back to the car, probably make some lunch.
Tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally.
Okay, we're back at the van. We're just gonna make a quick bite to eat. I think we're just going for catch down some noodles, and I'm having some rice pot.
I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold.
Okay, we have just left Dornoch and we are headed to... Where are we headed?
We're heading to Golspie to go and see Dunrobin Castle and Gardens.
It's supposed to be a nice fairy tale looking castle. Apparently it's like the closest looking to Disney castle in Scotland. And there's like some gardens there, and then there's a walk to some waterfalls as well, so we'll check that out too. We've made it to Dunrobin Castle. This is where you first see you when you drive in.
I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again.
Okay, we are calling it a day at Dunrobin Castle. There is a falcon show, but we're going to give that a miss. We're going to head to the big burn walks. It's supposed to be a few waterfalls and stuff, so we're going to check it out. Okay, we are currently on the walk to the Big Burn Waterfalls. It's a 1.25 kilometer walk. Shouldn't take long. Actually trying not to get her shoes muddy, or white shoes. She's climbing.
Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow.
Okay, we made it to the falls, and in fairness, I'd say it's quite good.
Yeah, pretty good. Just came back to the van from the walk to the waterfalls.
It's not that far. It's only about 1.25k. It took about hour and a half to complete, and
We're just gonna find a park up for tonight now and head further up north.
yeah, we're down at a place called Dunbeath. We found a park for the night. There's 24-hour toilets right on the sea, and this is the current setup. She's on a phone there. Wrapped about. Jackery is charging. The solar panel is out. This thing is class. It charges as many devices as well. It charges 3 USBs, DC and AC, and while this is charging all that, this charges that much faster. Highly recommend.
Well, that's a wrap on another day. We'll see what day 3 on the NC500 brings.